Did you know that the simple act of doing laundry could be the key to unlocking abundance, health, and even financial success? What if I told you that your clothes are more than just fabric? They're sponges for energy, soaking up everything from the people you meet to the environments you walk through. Before we continue, write in the comments, "I am a magnet for prosperity." Declare it to the universe and start your transformation now. And don't forget, subscribe to channel and activate the notification bell to get more tips like this one. Let's thrive together. And what if I said that washing them at the wrong time could actually bring negative energy into your life? Stick around, because today, we're diving deep into the spiritual side of laundry, a ritual that's not just about cleaning clothes, but about cleansing your entire life. Laundry. It's one of those things we all have to do, but rarely think about. For most of us, it's just another chore, a mundane task we rush through to get it over with. But what if I told you that laundry could be so much more? What if it could be a sacred ritual, a way to cleanse not just your clothes, but your mind, your energy, and even your financial situation? Sounds crazy, right? But hear me out. In many spiritual traditions, especially in Buddhism, mindfulness is everything. It's about being present in every moment, even the ones that seem insignificant. And that includes laundry. So today, we're going to explore how this everyday task can become a powerful tool for transformation. Let's get started. Here's the thing, we don't often think about the energy our clothes carry. But think about it, your clothes are with you everywhere you go. They're in your office, on the subway, at the grocery store, even in your bedroom. And everywhere you go, they absorb energy. The energy of the people you interact with, the environments you're in, even the emotions you're feeling. Over time, that energy builds up. And if you're not careful, it can start to affect you. Maybe you've noticed that after a long day, you feel drained, even if you didn't do anything particularly exhausting. Or maybe you've been in a slump, financially, emotionally, or even physically, and you can't figure out why. Well, it might just be the energy stuck in your clothes. And if you're washing them without intention, you could be missing out on a huge opportunity to reset and recharge. That's the problem we're tackling today, how to turn laundry from a chore into a ritual that cleanses not just your clothes, but your entire life. Let's start with the basics. Why does laundry matter so much spiritually? In many traditions, including Buddhism, mindfulness is about being fully present in every action, no matter how small. When you're mindful, even the simplest tasks can become opportunities for growth and transformation. And laundry is no exception. Think about it. When you wash your clothes, you're not just removing dirt and stains. You're also clearing away the energy that's accumulated in the fabric. That energy could be stress from work, tension from an argument, or even negativity from a crowded subway ride. By washing your clothes with intention, you're not just cleaning them, you're resetting their energy. Now, let's talk about timing. Did you know that when you wash your clothes can have a huge impact on the energy they carry? According to ancient traditions, certain times of day are better for washing clothes than others. For example, washing your clothes between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. is said to infuse them with vitality and abundance. That's because the early morning is a time of renewal, when the energy of the universe is fresh and full of potential. On the other hand, washing your clothes between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. can boost creativity and inspiration. But there are also times you should avoid. For example, washing your clothes at 6 p.m., 9 p.m. to 9:15 p.m., or 3 a.m. is believed to invite negative energy. That's because these are transitional times when your personal energy barriers are weaker, making it easier for negativity to seep in. But timing isn't the only factor. What you use to wash your clothes can also make a big difference. For example, adding white vinegar to your wash can help neutralize negative energy. Salt is another powerful ingredient. It's been used for centuries to cleanse and protect against negativity. And if you're looking to attract wealth and good luck, try adding a pinch of cinnamon to your laundry. These small additions can turn an ordinary wash into a powerful ritual for cleansing and renewal. Finally, let's talk about mindfulness. When you're doing laundry, don't just rush through it. Take a moment to set an intention. As you load the machine, imagine all the negative energy being washed away. As you fold your clothes, visualize them being filled with positivity and light. By being present in the process, you're not just cleaning your clothes, you're transforming them into tools for growth and abundance. Here's the big takeaway: laundry isn't just a chore. It's a ritual. A sacred practice that can help you cleanse not just your clothes, but your entire life. By being mindful of the energy your clothes carry, by washing them at the right times, and by using ingredients that enhance their cleansing power, you can turn this everyday task into a powerful tool for transformation. Imagine what your life could look like if you approached every task with this level of intention. Imagine the abundance, the health, the peace you could attract. That's the power of mindful laundry. So, to recap, your clothes are more than just fabric, they're sponges for energy. By washing them with intention, at the right times, and with the right ingredients, you can transform laundry from a chore into a sacred ritual. It's a simple practice, but it can have a profound impact on your life. So the next time you're doing laundry, don't just rush through it. Take a moment to be present, to set an intention, and to harness the power of this everyday task. Your mind, your energy, and even your wallet will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips on turning everyday tasks into powerful rituals. See you in the next one.